What's up, everybody? It's time for Blue Collar Cruising, and now it is Cruise Month. It is Cruise Month. Finally, it's Cruise Month. Let's talk about the fun. As you've seen behind me here, we have the city of New Orleans from the Carnival Dream. If you've never been on a ship going down to Mississippi, it is fascinating. It really is. If you've been on other cruises where you're leaving out of typical ports, you get out of the port and you're basically out into the ocean. You're going down to Mississippi for, 8 hours? And it is absolutely beautiful at night, especially. And since this weekend, the first weekend of November, we have the clocks turning back, it means that we will likely be sailing, we'll start to depart right around sunset. And so after a little while, you're going down to Mississippi, and all the daylight turns into dark, and then you see the city lights, and you see the city lights, the downtown lights of New Orleans for a long time, and you just watch it just get smaller and smaller and smaller. It's really neat going down to Mississippi at night, or anytime really, on a cruise ship. That's the reason why I put that on the background, because yeah, it's getting close. It is Cruise Month, and we are less than 3 weeks away as I record this. And many of you guys and gals, I just say guys because that's what I do. Y'all have come on older videos talking about this Thanksgiving cruise and say, hey, I'm going to be on that ship. I'm going to be on that cruise. And some of you guys are going to be on there the week before, the week after, and all that kind of stuff. And so I'm looking forward to this, right? I really am. We were on the breeze. If you follow my channel, we were on the breeze here a couple of months ago, and that was fun. Just not long enough. That was a 5-day cruise, and this will be a 7-day cruise. Thanksgiving. I've got my jersey ready to go. I got a CD Lamb jersey. We're going to decorate our room, our door with Dallas Cowboys paraphernalia. We've done a little bit of decorations before on our door, but this will be pretty much a lot of Cowboys and stuff like that, because the Cowboys will be playing on Sunday, okay, the day we depart, and then we obviously on Thanksgiving. And so they play twice, on a cruise date and on Thanksgiving. So looking forward to that. And we got our next cruise is going to be something I'll talk to you guys about it after this cruise, about our next cruise. It is football related, if that'll give you a hint. Well, anyways, so it is Cruise Month. Today is November 1st as I record this. And really, I'll tell you what, the last update I gave, which was about a month or so ago, I gave the update, and the update was basically nothing as much has changed in our world other than, we just have been buying clothes. We got our drink package. Now, we don't drink alcohol. I mean, we may drink maybe one or two, but not enough to get the Cheers package. Got the internet package. Now, usually I stay away from the internet package, me myself, but this week I will have the internet package because I do my work on the internet, and I'll be kind of doing a little bit of work while I'm on the cruise. Not much, but enough to where it's viable for me. And then also the football game. The football game usually happens. What time? Usually in the late afternoon. And then the last Thanksgiving cruise that we were on, we ate dinner during the last half of the football game, and so my wife had the internet package. She was just kind of keeping the score up, and so that's likely what I'll be doing during dinner. It falls on Thanksgiving, so you want to have Thanksgiving with your family, and I wish they would put the we like the main dining room, and so that's a part of it. So that plan may change, though. We may stay watching the game. One thing that I really didn't like about the last Thanksgiving cruise that we were on is they didn't put the football game up on the big screen, and I wish they would have. The only really place you can watch is either in your room or at the sports bar right there by the casino. That was on the Carnival Dream. And so I'm kind of hoping the glory they put it on the main screen. If they do that, then I'll be like, hey, we'll just get a pizza or something. Last update, I forgot how much I weighed. I don't know if I touched on my weight loss, but we're nearing 80 pounds lost since our last, or since we started this weight loss. Since I basically started this channel in May. Well, I didn't start this channel in May, but when I started like this, doing stuff like this for this channel, was around May. And the July cruise, at that time, I had lost about 40 pounds, and then now we lost another almost 40 pounds since that cruise. So clothes are getting, I'm buying new clothes, but I'm not buying new clothes or bigger clothes. I'm buying smaller clothes, which is a good problem to have, right? Our excursions are the same. We've got Mr. Sancho's. We've got, we got rid of one of those cabanas. And then, let's see, for Belize, we don't have anything scheduled. We'll probably go and take a tender boat and go, and we'll go shopping. That's what we did last time, we're going to be hitting up Honduras, Belize, and Cozumel the next 3 cruises here. So, maybe one of those cruises we could, those other 2, we could go and do something in Belize. Maybe go cave tubing, or maybe the one of their mine ruins kind of stuff, or a beach. I just love the beach. I just do. One other thing about this, we decided to go as far as the old 19 test that you have to take. We've decided to do the at-home test. Okay, there's some videos out there that my wife watched, and we were going to do the urgent care, but it costs like, was it $250 per person to do that? Well, there's 3 of us. It's going to cost a lot of money. It's $750, and then at home, you got to do it yourself. It was like, how much was that for like a 6-pack or something? It was like $50 or $60. That made more sense. You have to do it yourself, but per videos that we had seen, or my wife had seen, it's not that bad. We had kind of a phobia of sticking something like up your nose, like yourself, I've never taken the 19. She's done it, but I haven't. So I'll be in the gym this week, but after this week, I'm pretty much going to stay here at the house, work out here at the house, obviously do work here at the house, but I will not be going to the gym the 2 weeks before we take that test. I'm pretty much going to stay inside or stay at home, which is a big benefit to my occupation, because of my occupation, what have you, whatever. So I'm looking forward to it. I really am. Coming Thanksgiving, and then we'll have a short turnaround. Not as short as some of these other bigger YouTubers. I look at them; they're always going on cruises, and I envy them. So that's my update for the Thanksgiving cruise. That's my update, on our preparations, and it is cruise month. It is cruise month, and you should be getting excited when it's cruise month, because we are less than 20 days away now, and that's a big thing. Anyways, you guys take care, and 73.